Hey guys! Some people were asking for a tut for the microwave trend. This one to be specific. So this is it. Enjoy! First, join this game. There's different backgrounds, but I am going to use the green one. If your avatar has the color of the background, I recommend to use another one. On the side there's all the emotes that you can use. Screen record your avatar doing the emote you want. In my video, I switched it up after the emote is done, but it's up to you. Screenshot this image. Import the screen recording. Crop out all the things besides your avatar. Check if you like it. In my video, I cropped out when the emote would start again, or when it would spin in a circle. But if you want to keep it, that's all right too. Cropping out the emotes. I like to watch my clips back whenever I crop them to make sure I like it. Export and make new project. Import the screen shot of the background we took earlier. Click on the video of your avatar and look for overlay. For the sound I am going to use my own video. I screen recorded, so I click extract. For me, you can see that I didn't make the video long enough, but it's okay. If you have these side parts, you can just crop them out. Now let's get rid of this green screen. Go to Remove Big. Then Chroma key. Select the green. Change the setting till it looks right. This part can depend on what platform you are using. But now for the fun. In my video, my avatar is bigger than the screen, but that's up to you. In my video, I use click object, then your avatar. Now for the flickers. I used this one. For object, just select the background. And we're done. I hope this helped, and tag me in your videos. Bye!